Everybody, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope everybody's doing well. It's May 6th. Is it the 6th? Yeah, May 6th. Good Lord. We're going to be in June before we know it. Hope everybody had a good weekend. Give it another minute here. Just coming up on 10 o'clock, Monday morning market review with Peter Lorenzo, Crawford Lorenzo Home Selling Team, KW, Metropolitan, out of Marshtown. My hometown, which I thought was going to be sunny for my brother and sister-in-law today, coming up from Florida, but it's gloomy all week. Come on. Special birthday shout out to my niece Clara this past Saturday actually. Happy birthday to you, Clara. I don't think you're watching this. You're probably still sleeping. All right, let's get rolling in a minute or two. Let's go. All right, awesome. 10 o'clock, May 6th, Monday morning market review with Peter Lorenzo, Crawford Lorenzo Home Selling Team, Keller Williams, Metropolitan. Every week, I know it gets monotonous, but it's actually fun for me to watch, to look at the rhythms of what's going on and the patterns in the real estate market, especially this time of year. As my feeling is, we've been about a month behind what the market has been over the past 10 years. Excluding, our 2021, 2022 time period, which was a little bit different for everybody. But prices are up there. The buyers are still out there. The activity's still going. So let's get into what I do every week. I look at two areas along the train line in Marsh County. I look at Marshtown, Marsh Township, Marsh Plains. And I look at the number of bedrooms. I do 4 to 5, 2+ baths. Doesn't matter what style home. And we'll look at what's coming soon, what's available, what's under contract, what's sold. And then I move a little bit closer to New York City along the train line. And I'll look at Madison, I'll look at Chatham, and I'll look at Florham Park. That to me is a little bit more luxury market than Marshtown, Marsh Township, Marsh Plains. And it gives us, within a 10-minute drive, a 5-mile linear, area. That's what I love about living here, all these little different towns along the train line. We can look at that luxury market of what's happening too. Overall, I've seen the past couple weeks, the luxury market build their confidence in the market, get their homes on the market. So let's look at that. We're also looking at, question keeps coming up, can prices still keep going up? And they are. I mean, we were at one point in time in Marshtown, Marsh Township, Marsh Plains, 35 days on the market. And we're at 12 right now. So let's run into the numbers. I am trying to keep this to like 5 minutes for all of you because I know it's busy Monday mornings and you want to get back to work, but I also want to give you the trends that are happening in the real estate market because it's important to know. And again, I also know, many of you are sitting on, if you own a home, probably a 2.5 to 3.1 mortgage rate. You're probably not going anywhere, but it's still always valuable to know what's happening with the prices of your home. I think more than ever, and we're talking to people a lot about the wealth that they own in their home right now. Homes are worth more than they've ever been before, whether you're selling or not. So how do you use that to your advantage? That's something that we are talking about, talking to our clients about, and how can we help you, understand that too. So I'll get into that later. All right, Marshtown, Marsh Township, Marsh Plains. Let's jump into this quickly. 16 available. Let's see. We don't have any coming soons went on. We did have some coming soon out. Sorry for the call. We have 1, 2, 3 that went to attorney review this past week. That's a little bit less than the week before. List price though is up to $988 in Marshtown, Marsh Township, Marsh Plains. $988. That's pretty darn high. Days on the market 12. Now we do have one at 1.0, one at 1.2, one at 1.4, one at 1.5. And that's all in Marsh Township. So let's see what happens to those. I always say what happens to the luxury market, which those went on. Those were from like 1.5 to 2.5 in Madison, Chatham, Florham Park. That tends to trickle down to the markets below. And we're seeing that right now. So $988 is the highest price point we've seen in Marshtown, Marsh Township, Marsh Plains in a long time. Days on the market, 12. That's some of the least days we've seen on the market in Marshtown, Marsh Township, Marsh Plains in a long time. 16 available, 3 under contract, at least 3 available. Total under contract, 33. We're almost a 1-to-3 ratio on available to under contract. That's a relationship that I always look at. And the under contract active price right now, or attractive price right now, $979. Let me say that again, $979. They're going under contract. We do have a number that are in the millions, probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1 for 1, 2, 1 for 1, 2, 7, 5, 1 for 1, 3, 1 for 1, 3, 5, 1 for 1, 3, 7, 5, 1, 5, 1, 9, 1, 9, 5, 0. Those are all in Mars Township. So, and those were not on the market that long. Luxury market. I like when the luxury market is doing well because that trickles down to the other markets too. So 979 available. Days on the market for under contract, 24. Amazing. And then we've got solds. Number of solds, 170 we're looking at recent. 873. We've been staying at the 4% above asking for quite some time. Still great. Madison, Chatham, Florham Park, we've seen go up to stay at 5%. We'll look at that and see where that is. But 873, and then selling for 9, trading up to 912. 25 days in the market. You couldn't ask for a better market right now. I've got 13 homes. I always like to see more inventory. I see 12 days on the market, so they're moving. We can't keep anything on. We've got buyers going out to open houses. I don't see them taking up more time to buy anything, at least, on this. They're making their decisions pretty quickly. In a month. It's not a day or two. The average under contract price or time period is a month. All right, let's jump over to, that just closed me totally out of that. Now let's go into Madison, and we'll look at Chatham, and we'll look at both the borough and the township. Good morning, John. We'll look at the Chatham and Madison here, and we'll look at Florham Park. Let's get Madison. Again, 4 to 5 bedrooms. John, I was just talking about the market right now. We saw there's, average asking price right now is $988 in Marstown, Mars Township, Mars Plains. Days on the market, 12. Things are trading up 4% above asking. Now we're going to jump into the luxury market. We do have 5 homes in Marstown, Mars Township, Mars Plains from 1.1 to 1.5. That's because we saw the luxury market in Madison, Chatham, Florham Park last week kick up and put things on the market, and I always feel like that trickles down. So let's look at Chatham, we'll look at the borough, the township, we'll look at Madison, we'll look at Florham Park. Coming soon, available under contract, solds. Let's hit this real quick and just see if there's a wow factor. Boom, right off the top. Wow factor, 288 transactions. Like, we were talking about 118 2 years ago. And here's the other wow factor. I mean, the number of availables in Madison, Chatham, Florham Park, the number of luxury availables. If I have a luxury home right now, I'm putting it on the market because the percentages, the mortgage rates are not affecting this. This gets me excited. Here you go. You want the buyer tips? If you're in the $1 million to $2 million price point, now is the time to go look. I've got 28 available in Madison, Chatham, Florham Park, and it's a nice division of what's available. It's like a third, Chatham, Madison, Florham Park. Average list price, 1.6. Days on the market, 15 days on the market. We got 3 coming soon. Amazing. And I've got homes on here for 3.5. I've got homes on here for 1.6, 1.5. Average, we know the median price point's about 1.6. But you've got more going on this last week, meaning going on the market in the luxury market, than I've seen in 3 years. So 28 on the market right now. We've got 3 coming soon. So again, another strong week in coming soons in the luxury market. That I think is going to trickle back towards the $800 to $1.2 million range, which is that Mars Township range. 2 went into attorney review. So list price right now, 1,640. Days on the market, 15. Number of under contracts, 53. You got a 1 to 2 ratio available to under contracts. I like that. I like that ratio a lot. And the under contract price is 1,423. That's probably going to go up. Days on the market, 27. So in that luxury market, people are taking a little bit more time. I don't expect the offers to be there. You do an open house Sunday, Saturday, and Sunday. Offers are there Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. The buyers are taking a little bit more time to see things. Why? Because there are other things to see. So that's great. And then sold, let's just look at that. We're still at 5%. Average asking price 1,342 in Madison Chatham Florham Park. Average trade price 1,420, 5%. 20 days on the market. You couldn't ask for a better market right now for listing your home. I think the buyers are still out there. Luxury market, the interest rates are not affecting that at all. I'm seeing a lot of confidence in the luxury sales right now, and people are coming in to purchase them because they're not staying on the market. So, my tips and hints for buyers, I always like to give those out, is get out there as much as possible. Looks like there's some inventory still going on. The inventory is not there for a long time, so you want to get out and see things, make time for it. If you got a great agent, as you would if you're working with the Crawford Lorenzo Home Selling Team, we go into homes, Facebook, FaceTime Live those homes to you if you're in New York. That way to come in, but you're looking at the coming soons to keep you ahead of the market. And if you're selling, now's the time to sell. I know the key is where are you going to go? And that may be something you're lining up your dominoes for a year from now, but you can start doing that now. Again, the 3 areas where the Crawford Lorenzo team we're putting our energy and efforts. 1, wealth in homes. I think homes now are worth more, as much as they've ever been. And I think it has to do with people are really appreciating the value of ownership and owning a home and everything that comes with it. As this area gets more traffic comes in, more people come in, owning your home and that privacy, your property, that's going to increase in value. I do think it's going to be harder to own a home in future times. So being able to do it now is great. If you do own a home, wealth is on the top of everybody's mind. Zillow is not the value of your home. That is an algorithm. Realtor is not the value of your home. That's an algorithm. Trulia is not a value of your home. They're owned by Zillow. That's an algorithm. Redfin, not a value. Have a market analysis done. If you want your market analysis done, just put it in the comments below. I'm happy to do that. I go through the MLS. Anybody on our team, last week, I think we got 75 market analysis out, and that's our goal for each week. People can take that money, they can pull it out, they can put money back into their homes, they can buy a multifamily home, they can buy an investment property. Doesn't have to be in New Jersey either. So those are things that we're working on to help people increase their value and wealth, number 1. Number 2, baby boomers, those baby boomers that are in homes with stairs. I am working with people and getting them out before they can't do the things they want to do and keep them enjoying life. It's a big thing going on. We've got more baby boomers in homes with stairs, a lot of stairs now than ever before, and not everybody wants to live with those stairs. And remember last year, 65% of everybody that sold moved out of New Jersey. So this month, we're going to have Diana Thornton from Phoenix, Arizona. She's going to be interviewed by me. We're going to talk about why Arizona and that Phoenix area is a great place to retire. I have another buyer who's moving from here. She's going to Boca Raton. We set her up with a great agent out in Florida. Also, remember Robin Woodall on the Panhandle. If you want to revisit that or talk to Robin, she's a great person to talk to as well. But this month, we're going to have Diana Thornton with Phoenix, Arizona on probably just mid-May. So that will be coming on. If you know anybody who wants to get out of their homes with stairs, call us. If you know anybody that is looking to leave New Jersey, does not have to be this year, call us. If you know anybody who wants a market review, so they know how much their home is worth market-wise, not a Zillow, call us. Have a great day. John, thanks for hanging on. I'll talk to everybody later. 973-255-9337. Peter G. Lorenzo at kw.com. Thomas, as always, I love your posts in the morning. Show me some fish. We got to go fishing.